YouTube, back with another video. Yes, sir. I think these right here is what has turned me to, for sure, if I don't win the raffle and I'm not paying that crazy high ticket, I am getting these. I'm buying UA. And after I show you these, y'all gonna say why. If you're new to this channel, keep it locked. Hit that subscribe button. We got car content, shoe reviews, car reviews, track, drifting, sliding, takeover, family, break, everything on this channel. So keep it locked.
Hey man, it's Mr. Goddamn Show. Y'all go ahead and fuck with Hit Me Boy, real life. We tapped in, you know what I'm saying? Boy came out all the way from Kentucky. Hey.
Pull up in a stack, niggas like where you get that. You already know, Bella been touching big racks. Run up on me, I split his face like a Kit Kat. Yeah, I'm from Kentucky, but I'm riding in a Hellcat. You say you need a cup of peas, yeah, we'll mail that. Crack the vacuum seal, hell yeah, you gon' smell that. If you get down, yeah, we know you gon' tell that. Lindsay's on my feet, hell no, he can't spell that. I'm MJ, so I guess you carry. I pay $800 Micah Marys.
So first and foremost, the box. Who cares about the size of the box? Let's go ahead and open this up. It's crazy. Of course, they got the paper. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know, if y'all know me, man, I was mad I couldn't get these because they came out in women. But when you go to the plug, you can get these in men's sizes. Let's just get straight into this. Forget what's in the box. No, that don't matter. But look at this quality of this shoe though. This is crazy. I'm buying me, I'm buying a pair. Like, y'all see these on my feet? These are UAs. But the suede, all these joints right here, feel just like the suede off the Raging Bulls, the suede off the blue fives, the red fives, all that right here. Like, quality, the smell, lace lock. See that tongue and that cut, because some UAs don't got that cut. I'm not gonna take the sole out because ain't no point in taking the sole out there's no point in doing all that because we know where these came from. These are a size 12 in men. You know, if y'all know y'all shoes, these only came out in women. So the Nubuck, I don't know what the real one feel like, but looks good. That the Erbo, the Shark T, but it's mainly, man, this suede, and the color's dead on. I'm gonna pop up a picture of the store version or the release. It's crazy. Ever question, do I should go buy UA or not? Go buy UA. Reseller price, go buy UA, because ain't nobody gonna tell that these are UA unless you tell them. Or unless they know, like, hold on, them only come out in women unless you got a women's size, but hot shoe. This is the quick review, quick little video on these, because as y'all know, I'm a 5 lover, and you know, we going crazy. Made me become a UA. Like, if I don't get them on the raffle or a couple dollars over release, I'm not buying them no more. Give me UA. Hit that comments. Tell me what y'all think about this shoe. It's crazy. Oh, I didn't show y'all the bottom. That's a crazy shoe. All right, guys.
Drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse.